Alright, this is take 2 of 6x view through Gen 3 thin film night vision. I've got a Sony A7S camera connected to my Gen 3 night vision device. Camera setting is 1/60th of a second, shutter at the moment, ISO is 22,000. We have a 6x lens, 160mm f1.7. And we're pointing pretty much due south at the horizon with a pine tree partially in the view, and we're going to pan up into the Milky Way, which is starting to appear. The X-shaped set of stars is an open star cluster called either M6 or M7. Don't remember which. And you can see some dark bands, which are dust in the Milky Way. And we'll just pan up here until we see more dust, like right there. Probably actually near the constellation Sagittarius as well. So that's all dust lanes in the Milky Way, and I'll just slowly pan up and see if I can, okay, right there in the center of the field, I think that's the Lagoon Nebula, though it's pretty small, because we're only at 6 power, and we're going to keep going up. More tendrils of dust. By the way, it's June 14th, 1:30 in the morning from Mount Pinos, California. That's where we're shooting this. Nice dark night. Lots of dark areas there in the Milky Way. We'll keep going up. Oh yeah, and here we have dead center, very small, almost looks like a lobster with one claw running from left to right. That's the Swan Nebula M17. Goes by other names. Doesn't look like a swan at the moment. It looks to me like half a lobster. And if we go up a little farther, there's another little bit of a patch of nebulosity right there. I think that's the Eagle Nebula M16, but it's not particularly obvious. No eagle that shows up. A bit of a V shape maybe to it. And after that, there probably isn't much to note other than occasional bit of dust lane. I'll just try to slowly follow up into the Milky Way until I lose it. There's some more dust. Oh yeah, check that out. Look at the star cloud variation there. Lots of stars in the Milky Way. Okay, more dust. And as we go higher, I'm going to slow down my shutter speed because the sky gets darker the higher you go. We're about 45, 50 degrees off the horizon. Go just a wee bit higher and call it quits. There's a nice dense chunk of stars. Wow. Not sure what constellation, maybe Aquila, not sure. And we'll leave it there, since that's enough time on this. So 6x magnifications, 160mm f1.7 lens in front of the Gen 3 night vision device, and that's a wrap.